Today I'm making this protein-packed mini birthday cake. I'm going to add one medium-sized banana into a bowl and I'm going to mash it. Once you have it all nicely mashed, we're going to add 2 scoops of protein powder, and I'm using creamy chocolate fudge flavor. Go ahead and use your favorite flavor. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're going to give that a mix, and we're going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water, or as needed. You need to get a thick batter-like consistency. Once you have it to your perfect consistency, go ahead and pour that into a tin, which we are not going to oil because this is for my husband, and he is meal prepping, so he's watching his fat intake, and we want to distribute it evenly so it cooks evenly. And I will be using my toaster oven, so of course adjust the times to your oven. And we're going to bake that at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes, depending on your oven. And once our cake is ready, we're going to let that cool. While that's cooling, we're going to make our frosting. In a bowl, you're going to choose your favorite flavor of protein powder. I'm using this strawberry flavor, but go ahead, again, choose your favorite. So we're going to need 1 scoop of that. And then we're gonna mix that with water, 1 tablespoon at a time, depends on the thickness or thinness of your preferred frosting. I used 1.5 tablespoons total, and this is the consistency that I got, and that's what I wanted. So now we're just gonna pour this liberally on our cake. And we're going to top this off with about 1 tablespoon of our favorite sprinkles, just so it can look like a birthday cake, like more appetizing. And of course, this is for my husband, so happy birthday, babe. Hope you enjoy your birthday cake later. And for everybody else, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my recipes. I upload Monday to Thursday, and as always, thanks for watching. Talk to you next video.